Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so as you know, it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and for those of you that do not know, I am a breast cancer survivor. So this month I am highlighting brands, products that are giving back to breast cancer awareness. So today I'm highlighting City Beauty. We actually have done a collaboration and come up with a renewed and radiant kit for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. All right, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed or you are new here, first, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, so as I said, I am a breast cancer survivor. For those of you that are new here or did not know that, I do have a playlist. I chose to document my breast cancer journey. So, Breast Cancer Awareness Month is definitely something that is near and dear to my heart. And so I was very excited when I reached out to City Beauty and asked if we could do a collaboration where I came up with my 4 products. They put it together in a kit, and a portion of the proceeds, 25% of the proceeds, go to the Susan G Komen Breast Cancer Foundation. And they said yes. So first, a big shout out to City Beauty for agreeing to do this with me on such short notice. You know, typically these things take months and months, and we had a few weeks to do it. So they did do it. And if you want to know a little bit more about my story, it is also on their webpage. Products that I chose, and we're going to go through each one of them, they've included in one kit. We discounted the price for you. So the price for all 4 of these products would be $225. The products are now $175 plus free shipping. So an excellent savings, especially these are definitely my favorites. So let's go ahead and start with the first product, and I'll tell you why I chose it, each one. So the first one is the Line Smoothing Hydra Mask. I'm obsessed with these. It's absolutely 100% different than any other sheet mask I have ever tried or I have ever seen. It has a biocellulose material. So when you put it on your face, one, it is so chock full of anti-aging ingredients and hydro plumping ingredients that your skin is going to look and feel amazing. I save these actually for special occasions. So here's my trick. If I know like I have a special event coming up or a special occasion, what I do is I'll do my Derma Flash, and then I will put this on and let that just sink in. And it doesn't have to be a special occasion. I do this probably once every 2 weeks. So I'll do my Derma Flash and then I put this on because of all the great skin ingredients in here. I have done many videos on the 4 products that that are in this kit. So I'm not gonna go over all the ingredients with you, but I will put a playlist in the description box. So if you want to know a little bit more about each of the products, it's in the description box. So this is just a great mask. It plumps all those fine lines and just makes you look so good. So this is an absolute favorite, and it comes with, it's not just a single mask, it comes with 5 masks. The next thing is their most popular product, and their what I believe they actually started with, which is their City Beauty City Lips. This is their plumping lip gloss. Obsessed with this. I have a little secret, so I'm gonna show you a little video here. Now, it's not just a lip gloss, and it's not even just a plumping lip gloss. Again, skincare in here. So what I do, y'all, is I overline my lips. Why do I do that? Because we have those little fine lines around our mouth as we age, or at least I do, and I'm not injecting anything into my lips. I don't need to. I'm gonna show you here that you don't need to. I have shown it so many times before and after, and what this does is, one, it'll bring a flush of color to your lips. The second thing is it will plump your actual lips, minimizing the look of the lines in your lips. And then if you overline, it will also minimize those little fine lines. And the more you use it, the more that it helps diminish those little fine lines. The thing that I chose is the Restoring Hand Cream. Now, I have never been one to use a hand cream, right? But that changed when the pandemic hit, because we were using so much hand sanitizer, because we were washing our hands so much, or we should be. My hands were dry and cracked and horrible. I mean, they were so bad, y'all. And so I started using the Restoring Hand Cream. Couldn't believe it. After, I think it was only 2 times that I used it, and my hands were back to being moisturized. What I do is put a nice little bit on the back of my hands. You don't need a whole lot. I rub the backs, because that's where the age really shows, right? Because if there is one place that we don't think about, there's actually 2 places, our neck and our hands, that we don't think about when it comes to skincare. But especially our hands, they really show our age. So what's great about this, aside from it being nourishing and moisturizing, which I hope a hand cream would be, and this is, it also has skincare properties that do a couple things. One is plump the skin. As we age, we start to see where the skin is thinner, so we see the veins in our hands and the crepiness. No, this helps with that 100%. They just are super moisturizing, super hydrating looking, and then they have that plumping effect, so they don't look like old lady hands, which we don't want them to look like, right? Now, the last product is probably my most favorite product that City Beauty has ever done. This is such a great product. Why? Number one, it is a sunscreen. It's a broad spectrum, so it's going to fight against UVA and UVB rays. It is a mineral sunscreen, and the FDA has said mineral sunscreens are the best to use. It is slightly tinted. I'm going to show you video here. What I did this morning, I put it on as I do every morning. Regardless of whether I wear makeup or I do not wear makeup, this goes on. You will want to put it on, because aside from the skincare, or aside from the sunscreen benefit of the sunscreen, which is what we want, we're going to want to wear this to protect our skin. The second thing, anti-aging properties. The longer you use it, the more you're going to see those benefits. The third thing is the veil part. It has dimethicone in it, meaning that it gives the most beautiful smoothness to the skin, pore filling. I say pore vanishing. I do no makeup days all the time. I use this, and I use the Glotion from L'Oreal. This gives a nice glow and luminescence to the skin, makes the skin look healthy. This is the perfect base. So I love this. But most importantly, it's protecting the skin. So these are the 4 products that are included in the kit. $175, with 25% of the proceeds going towards the Susan G Komen Foundation. So I am beyond excited for this kit. For those of you that already love these products, great price. For those of you that haven't tried these products, great way to try them. And they make an excellent gift. The holidays are literally around the corner. Can you believe we're already in October? It's just craziness. And because we're in October, we're heading to fall and winter. Skin becomes drier. Hydrofacial mask, absolutely. Hand cream, a must. Still need to wear our sunscreen, a must. And then, you know, come on, who doesn't love plump lips? I mean, who doesn't love lips that look nice and lush and juicy? So this would make a great Christmas gift. Can you imagine? For your kids' teachers, your mom, your sister, someone that's gone through breast cancer. Maybe they just reached their milestone like I have, their 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, and you want to get them something but you don't know what to get them. This would be a great gift. I know personally, because I love these products, I would love to get this gift. So think of that as well. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, I can't thank you enough for watching the videos, especially when it's something so near and dear to my heart as breast cancer awareness is. And so thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video and videos like it, please do take a moment and give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you really soon. Bye guys.